In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign multiple assignees to a task in ClickUp. This is a simple but very useful feature, especially when a task needs input, ownership, or collaboration from more than one person. Instead of assigning the task to just one individual, ClickUp lets you add multiple people or even a team, so everyone involved can clearly see that they're part of the work. To get started, open the ClickUp task you want to assign. You can do this from your list, board, calendar, or wherever the task is currently located in your workspace. Once the task window is open, make sure you're looking at the task details so you can access the assignment options. Next, click the Assignees field inside the task. This will open the Assignee menu, where you can manage who is assigned to that task. If you don't immediately see the full list, don't worry. Once the menu opens, you'll have the tools you need to search for the right people quickly. Now, find an assignee by using the search box, or by selecting a person directly from the Assignees list. The search box is especially helpful if you're working in a larger workspace with many members. Just begin typing the person's name, then click the correct result when it appears. If the list is short, you can simply choose someone from the visible options instead. After that, add more assignees by selecting each additional person or team you want to assign. You can continue clicking names one by one to include everyone who should be involved. This is helpful for shared responsibility, review processes, or tasks that require coordination across multiple roles. If your workspace uses teams, assigning a team can also save time when the same group often works on tasks together. When you're done adding everyone, click outside the menu to close it. Once the menu closes, the selected assignees will appear as avatars in the Assignees field. That visual confirmation makes it easy to check that the right people have been added before moving on. And that's it. You've successfully assigned multiple assignees to a task in ClickUp. This small step can make task ownership much clearer and improve collaboration across your workspace. Thanks for watching.